All right, we're on another local golf course this time, trying to sneak in a little bit more fishing. We're gonna try this little pond. Been ran off here before, so I'm trying a different pond and hopefully don't get run off this time and see if we can't catch something. Got the family with me. They'll be down in a little bit, so you should see them later on. All right, I got my spinning rod today. It's Quantum, and just gonna throw a lizard. It's late in the evening. We'll see what we can get. I got one. I got one. Yeah, baby. Yes. Come on, land him. Land him. Land him. Come on, buddy. Nice. It's a nice little 1-pounder. See that? Right there, right there. Let your bat go, buddy. Oops. Little belly flop there. Alright, that wasn't a bad start. We got that first one right there by the tree. Right underneath the tree. I actually thought I was snagged, so we're gonna keep working it. We got the family coming over here. They're gonna watch me fish a little bit, and hopefully they'll get to fish a little bit too. You see that fish?
Yeah, it was pretty good, honey. What kind of fish was it?
It's a bass.
Here, Harper, stay right here. You want some cookies?
Caught that one right out of the gate, right under the tree. Tore up my lizard a little bit. But so what I'm using is a Zoom 6-inch June bug lizard. I've thrown about 3 casts, already caught a fish, so we're gonna stick with this and see what it'll do.
Look.
What is that?
Yellow.
What color is it?
Purple.
What sound does it make?
Oh, there's a fish over there.
What sound does the lizard make? What sound does that lizard make? Yeah, the fish love to eat lizards. That's why we're using it. Harper, say bye.
She has been.
Bye. Bye, Harper. The family's leaving. They didn't want to stay out here too long. They said it was too hot. Got one right there, right by the shore. Ah! Let's see if we can't get him out of here. Help him out. Oh. There you go, buddy. Hold on. I got you. There you go. There you go. All right. All right, just caught my second one. And keep working this area over here. Probably give it about a couple more casts around this tree. And then we're gonna start working the rest of the bank. I'd like to catch a nice one out here. It'd be sweet. All right. Now we're gonna start working this rest of this pond. Oh, got one, got one, got one. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's a nice size, nice size. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Nice size fish right here. Oh, shoot, I don't know how I'm gonna land him. I don't know how I'm gonna land him. Oh, he's a big one. Nice. Yes. Look at that. Yes. That is huge. I'm so stoked right now. I am so stoked right now. Alright, we're at 215, almost a 3-pounder right there. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. There you go. There you go. That's some good fishing right there. I had seen him eating a little earlier. That was nice. Got one. Got one. Dang it. He came off. Wow, lost that one. Fishing at the local golf course. It was a really good day. I was able to catch 3 fish. One of them was almost a 3-pounder. I was out there for hour and a half maybe. It was really good. Nice enjoyment on this 4th of July. So as always, make sure you subscribe. Just go ahead and hit the button. Subscribe to Real Bassaholics. That way you'll get notified of every new video. We got new videos every week. And just as a little send off on this 4th of July, I'll show you a little bit of fireworks.